What's up, y'all? This Stoney. I'm back again, man. I'm just spit this verse acapella, and I want to give a shout out to my baby girl who's recording it right now, and hope y'all like it. Check it out, I smoke till I fall out. Gotta re-up all my life. It's time to take that hood route. Only fuck with that real life. Gotta keep that killer up on deck. Gotta slang, gotta get that hood chick. Try play me, play out, breaking it. Lead lane with your ass there. Should know bad for winning bread. That's one way his will consume some lead. Turn white homeboy straight to red. Just lyrically sink your teeth that bad. Forgive everyone they dislike. I'ma do just what I feel like. And that's everything that feels right. Roll that switch and not too tight. Gotta go homeboy, gotta catch my flight. Gotta go hard, gotta fight with might. This finna be one hell of a night. Send punks home with a lyrical fright. Yeah, that's what's up. Hey, and let you know this is finna be a song. And the name of the song is Just What I Feel Like, and that's just my first one. So, peace out.